What is going on, guys? Thanks for stopping by here into the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead and get down there and smash that subscribe button. But today, I'm actually working on a Christmas present for my wife that I wanted to show you guys. This is going to be my first time doing this. I already did a couple of windows before I started filming just to figure it all out and stuff. And I like it so far. So, yeah. So, we are going and doing some window tinting on my wife's Jeep. She goes and says that it's very bright after dark, especially when cars are behind her. And of course, she has really light sensitive eyes like me as well. So we have that issue. So I thought she loves driving my car and being in my truck with the windows tinted. And so I decided to go and get her some window tint. I ordered some pre-cut window tint, especially for my first time. I didn't want to do anything crazy or try to do it on myself. Maybe next time I would try to do it by cutting it myself, but this time I wanted to order pre-cut tint. I found it for a good price online. I ordered it from Northern Tint. I will put their link in the description below. But yeah, guys, and then I also went and got a little tint kit that actually I'm doing her Christmas present here, and she got me the tint kit, the tools for Christmas. So it actually says for vinyl wrapping. It comes with a ton of tools, guys. It comes with knives, squeegees, a couple different things. It comes with squeegee. It comes with a knife, a little pick, like a plastic razor blade type thing. Squeegee. Just comes with a ton of stuff, guys. If you guys want to see that, I'll put that in a link in the description below too. And then I also went and got me one of these fancy spray bottles because they look way nicer and fancier and spread out way wider than a normal bottle of spray to spray them with. So yeah, so I'm going to go and I'm doing 35 on the rear windows, the back, because they already have factory tint on them. I'm doing 20 on the front windows, and then I have a tint strip that I don't know if I'm going to get to tackle today or not. I can probably do everything but that, but I'm going to be doing the front tint strip, which is 5% for the sun in your eyes. The first time, I'm still learning, but I figured I'd bring you guys along and then I'll show you guys her reaction because she has no idea that I'm doing this unless she somehow figured it out, which I have no idea how. So yeah, guys, let's jump in this video. I will go ahead and finish tinting all the windows and I will show you guys the process here. So let's jump right into her, guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna get you guys a better angle here of what I'm dealing with here. The top is fitting really good. I just had this all ironed out, but there's one little bubble right there. But we got the front here. I'm trying to shrink it. I know you guys can't see real well, but I'm up here trying to shrink her up. There was a lot in the bottom, or in the top, or in the, yeah, bottom. So working on that right now, you guys. Like, sorry I couldn't give you the best angle, but we're getting her all ironed out here. Okay guys, I got the car all completed for the most part. I had a couple little hiccups. The driver's door, it was not very cooperative. It took me like an hour and a half to get it on. Then I come to the passenger side and it took like 10 minutes. I was like, are you serious? And then the rear window, I put it on, I didn't shrink it, and then I screwed it up. So I should have just shrank it because I figured I was gonna have to, but I didn't. So that was my fault. And then the front windshield, it's, as you guys seen, it took me forever to get it. I'm probably gonna have to get a new one of them too, because you can see at the corner, I got it shrunk all the way across, then both corners fought me. Like they didn't want to shrink. And then when I finally got them to, they over shrank, and then I fought them. The driver's side of it, I ended up dealing with, got it taken care of. The passenger side, I did not, and I made it really bad. So I'm probably going to get a new windshield tint strip, which isn't too expensive, and a rear one, possibly a driver door. But considering I did 3, 4, 8, considering there's 10 windows on this thing, and I only screwed up on 2, really 3, but 2, 3, whatever you want to say. I don't think it's bad for my first time, but I will try to record her reaction to see what she thinks of this. And I can tell you this, guys, it looks much better.
Which door should I?
I don't care.
You don't care? Okay. Which one's unlocked?
All of them, because I just cleaned it.
Middle?
I don't care. Okay, now come here. Does it look different? Now come here.
What are you looking at?
Look at the windshield.
You tinted it!
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Oh, cool.
Okay guys, we are back. We got her window tint all finished up. I tried to not make it noticeable that I was recording her at the same time, but so sorry if the video quality wasn't the best on that. But we got it all done. She's been driving the Jeep for about a week, and she loves the windows. Now, at some point, I'm going to have to go, like I showed earlier in the video, and redo it because I did over shrink it a little right here on the corner, but it's not too bad. The rest of the windows turned out awesome after they cured and everything else. And there was a couple little air bubbles that I did miss on a couple of the windows. I just went and got them back out. No biggie, no issues there. So she loves the tint. The Jeep looks awesome. To me, window tint improves the look of a vehicle tremendously. So I love it. That's like the first thing I do to any of my vehicles. But yeah guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks to all the new subscribers who've subscribed to the channel here lately. But if you are watching this and you haven't subscribed, get down there and smash that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day, everyone.